Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to tell if you got a bad idler pulley or some other pulley. Maybe just these is idler pulley bearings off this Endeavor here, and one of them went bad, and I'm going to explain to you how I figured out it was this one. And it's very simple to do. You can apply this to about any car or truck, so might be a little informal. So this is the other one. It's got two on it, one for the power steering, and it's got one for the alternator and the AC compressor. Now, when I was driving this and stuff, it was making a little chirping noise, like doop, 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 just very lightly. You would think it was a heat shield maybe on the exhaust or something. I'm going to come down here and show you guys. If you can see, that was actually chirping into the bracket. Yeah, that's how bad that pulley was. So to figure out if you got a bad idler pulley, there's a few ways you can do this. The first way that I found out it was this one was I loosened the idler pulley and took my belt off. Well, with the belt off, you can start the car, and if the noise is gone, you know it's one of your pulleys. It's either one of those, or it's your idler pulley, most likely. Well, it turns out it was the idler pulley, so I removed it. But you don't have to remove it to check it. If the noise is gone, you can actually check it for movement. And then if you watch, we actually got a little movement. Very hard to see, but it's very noticeable though. And this has been rubbing the back of that metal over time. Also, another way to tell why this is still bolted onto the car, if it's got pulley in it, you want to spin it and listen. You hear that chirping noise? That was the noise I was hearing. Now, if you hear any kind of noise, and they don't both spin this easy. They don't supposed to spin forever. It's dry, no grease or anything in there. But another thing you want to look for, see if it's been locking up. If it's got these bun places in it, that's the belt been dragging on it and it's been trying to melt it. That's another good sign. Now the other side was good. Now this is a good bearing. It maybe had just a tad bit of play, but nothing to worry about. It has none of that scoring compared to this one. And also, look how it spins. It spins just maybe 1/4 ton. No catches. And that's actually the grease inside that bearing that's stopping it from spinning, you know, forever like the other side. No catch, no noise. This pulley is still good. I could reuse this pulley, but I'm going to replace them because I'm just odd like that. I replace them in pairs. But this is my main problem, this pulley right here. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and you can find this problem yourself. Just remember to not run your car without your belt for maybe just a few seconds, because you know it can run your water pump and it will throw an engine light. This one runs the alternator and AC condenser. The other pulley actually run the power steering pump. I removed that belt. It didn't change no noise anyway, but like I said, I'm going to replace it. It didn't have no noise on that side, so ain't nothing to change. So drop a like, leave a comment, and always be safe. And if you don't have confidence in doing this yourself and worried about messing something up, take it to a good mechanic with good reviews, and you should be fine. Thank you for watching this helpful how-to video, and be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to show your support. Appreciate it if you do.